Hey everyone, Chad Bussanich here, Engineering Manager at SuperSprings International. If you've been thinking about upgrading your suspension with SumoSprings, you might be wondering, should you install them in the front, the rear, or both? Let's talk about why it's a good idea to install SumoSprings on all four corners of your vehicle. Your vehicle's suspension is a holistic system, meaning that the front and rear work together to provide stability and comfort. Installing SumoSprings only on the rear can make a big difference, especially when you're towing or carrying heavy loads. But if you want to maximize performance, installing them on both the front and the rear is the way to go. Rear SumoSprings help reduce sag and provide better load support, but adding front SumoSprings enhance control and safety. They help stabilize your steering, reduce nosedive when braking, and improve handling on rough terrain. By stabilizing both ends, you're not just improving your ride, you're increasing safety and comfort for everyone in the vehicle. The front and rear work together to keep you in control whether you're on the highway, off-road, or towing a heavy load. So should you install SumoSprings on the front, the rear, or both? The answer is simple, both. When all four corners are working together, you get the best performance, stability, and safety. Thanks for watching, and as always, journey better.